Hey and welcome. In this video I'm going to teach you how you can trade with trend lines, how you're going to set it up and when to take trades. Okay, so first, this is dollar against Japanese yen. The reason I choose this one because it's a perfect one for trend trading, because it's always super trending with this one. So I'll show you. So what we do, first we need to indicate a trend. Often it's good to look at a higher time frame, like 4 hours, to make this. So indicate a trend you can do after two tops or bottoms. Okay, I'll show you. So we take a trend line. You find it in the left side over here. This is TradingView, by the way. It's a free. It's completely free for use. I have a free version also, by the way. So you take a trend. Then you take from the top, and then when you can see you have the next top, then you basically can put a trend line already. So you basically need first, you take the first all top. I like actually to put on the spikes, but you see what fits best so the trend line looks most correct. So this you can edit after you get a few more, we can say, tops. And then you can start to edit it so you get it so it fits best for the chart. But when you just have two, then you do like that. Okay? So then we can start to drag it down. And there you can see we try to hit as many tops as possible. So there you have it, right? So how can you then trade this? Let me remove this. So you can see now after this one already, you can predict that the market one time will hit here again, right? But the way we want to trade is not that way. There are two ways we can trade with a trend line, and both are incredible profitable. So when I'm trading, I do both way of trading. So after you have seen this one there, this second one you see here, this one is confirmed, you see down, then you make the trend line and you can just make a line down like you see I have done here now, right? Then next time you can see in this bar right there, when you see that you come up there once again, I will then put a short position. Okay, because then we are trading with the trend. Okay, the stop loss we do like this. We take then also I will put if you see on my member page now, you will see the video about support and resistance. So in this case we want to put a support line here now. So let's take a horizontal line here. We can see that this is a, let's make it green and a little wider. Let's make it at a 3. Okay. Then what we want to do is we put a short position there, right? And the stop loss we put above this resistance zone you see up there. That was support before, now it's resistant. We put a little above, if you take my picture there now, I will put it in this line, a little above, just so if come a spike up, we don't get hit. Okay, and then you take 2 times stop loss. Take profit compare with stop loss. The way we do that, let's see here now. Let's see. Not this one. Here we have short position. We take that. We would enter with a short here. We would take stop loss around there, and we want the take profit to be 2 times. As you see here is 203. That's close enough. And you can see we would have hit and take profit there. Then let's already here, we would hit it. Then we wait patiently. We can see here we are close enough that we can do it again. Then what we do, then we enter one more time with a short position. Let's say we enter there. We then take the stop loss at the place where we had the start of the last one, and we do 2 times again, and around there. And you can see we would even hit it on the next bar. You see? So 2 winners. Then we wait patiently again. We can see there once again, one more. That moved me a little up here. We then enter a new short position. We would enter here, and we take stop loss at the last area once again. We do 2 times, and as you can see, we did not hit our yet. So this one would be an ongoing trade, okay? But the reason we do 2 times is because we can ride the trend down all the way, and when we get a loser, we only lose 1 time. So we always will turn profit in a trendy market. And this market, we are not so trendy yet here. If you then go back here, let's zoom out. Look, this one. Just imagine how many times you can do this here. Right? So here we basically did another way. Here we're looking for short trades. So then let's mark this one up. Let's go to 1 day. It's much more easy to look. Let's see. Let's take it on 4 hour. We indicate our take a trend line. You can see here that would be something like there. We can see that we have an area here. We did shoot up a little too much. I would still have entered with a trade, but let's not take the another one that we're going to trade after. We take it here and we go up like this. Okay, so then here we basically have indicated the trend, right? So then when we come back to this point, you know the deal, we take our first trade. We do like that, we go here. Now it's only long positions you're looking for. So the first is this area, but it's first here we can take our first trade. So we go here, we take our stop loss around here. And no, it's 3 times, that's too much. We only want 2. And there, first take profit is hit. Then next trade, we will take, next time we hit, that is here. We enter our trade on this one. We take stop loss at here. And we take 2 times. Let me see. 2 times, it's around there. And once again we get one more trade. Here we take a long position. Here we take, we don't need to go so far down for our stop loss. This one we might actually have lost on because I would have taken a stop loss a little, yeah, maybe not, because we would then see on the next area, that would be, if you take here now, let's take a horizontal line, because that's we take the stop loss, we look after the last support and resistance, okay? So in this case, we can see that we have an area right about here. Let's make this one red. So I would actually, in this case, take my stop loss down a little below here. And then we want to go 2 times up. Let's see if that would hit. That would actually have hit. And this one here, you can see the reason for this one. Let's take a horizontal line here also. Here is an area, a little below. This one maybe would have taken a little more, to be quite frankly, because we take a support and it's there, you see. So always a little below the last area. So always mark up your support and resistance and take always the stop loss a little below, because if by the way the market chooses to go down below, then it's a trend change. So, but I will not only show you winners. Here would be basically our first loser. We would have entered a long trade once again here. We would have entered on this bar here. We would have take a stop loss around here, and our take profit would be up here. As you can see, if you drag this a little more, there. So I will zoom in a little so we see better. As you see here now, this one would be our first loser. But that does not matter that much, because you can see already we would have 1, 2, 3 winners. And one of these winners can support 2 losers. So basically say 2, 4, 6, right? And you lose 1. So that means we still have 5, if that makes sense for you, because it's 2 times the stop loss. So in that way you are making 5, right? So we make 5. If you had 1-to-1, it's like we have won 5 trades with 0 losses with this trade just here right now. And the same case here, we would have take a loss here. We indicated a new trend that now is a downtrend on dollar against Japanese yen. We would then enter here, winner, winner, and we have 1 ongoing trade right there. So we already have 2 winners, that means 4. So even if this one is a loser, we still end up with 3. So you can see the powerful, if you just trade like this, you are in plus all the time. But of course, you need to choose pairs that is trending. Trending pairs is basically Japanese yen, GBP, UK GBP. That's a trending. Dollar is not often so trending, but it's trending because it's with Japanese yen. So indicate, go to pairs that is really trending, like this is a trending pair. And if you trade only with trend lines and you trade the way I have shown you here now, you will end up with a profitable strategy where we have set take profit and set stop loss. Then you never will have an account in any time or moment that will be smaller. You will always grow account, and you can start to put higher and higher lot sizes when you start to trade like this. So this is one of the most powerful ways you can trade with Forex. So I hope you found this interesting. Also, if you don't have a broker by now, you find a link below the video. It's the best broker you can use for Forex trading. So with that, I hope you did enjoy. There will be many more videos to see. So have a perfect day.